All right. Okay, sir. I don't have the floor. Yes. So we're ready.
All right. My name is Right Honorable S.K. Ivde Okoye, the National Youth Leader of PDP. I wish to let the entire owners of PDP, the governors, the elders, the founding fathers, the women and the youth, I wish to let other members of the party know my stand in the party right now. 1. Mr. Uche Secondus, the national chairman of the party, is incompetent of managing the affairs of this party. He lacks managerial capacity to manage PDP. He has made sure that many departments of the party did not function as effective as it ought to function. Mr. Chairman have nothing to offer to the party, only to come here and deceive us. There is a sharp division in our NWC right now. Not only me, many other NWC members are more aggrieved than myself. Today, I have asked him in our NWC meeting to resign his position as the national chairman because he cannot lead this party to victory. Number 2, I am also asking the leaders, the governors, the founding fathers, the youth, the women, to rise up to rescue our party from the hand of incompetent leader like Secondus, because he is not willing to take us to anywhere. He is just there to make sure that he enriches himself. I am here to make it very clear to all Nigerians that if Secondus does not resign, I am going to leave the party and resign for him to eat the party and own the party. The governors, if they don't wade into this matter right now, if the leaders does not wade into this matter right now, I assure every Nigerian that within the next 3-4 days, my letter will be public. Thank you very much. Not less than 8 to 10 persons within the 19 NWC members are very aggrieved with Secondus. But I've taken my stand because I cannot sit there and a man who ought to respect his age and respect the oath of the party that he has sworn to protect, to defend, to work for the interests of the party, will keep making sure that the party does not go anywhere. And I'll continue sitting down to watch him. That is very wrong. I will be giving a wrong impression to my fellow Nigerian youth who believe that I should voice out when things are wrong. Thank you.
Is there any, according to the party's constitution, do you have any mechanism that can trigger a chairman to be impeached instead of running down the party? Have you explored that option instead of leaving the party for him? Then why not explore the opportunity and then kick him out of the party?
We're in the process. We're in the process.
Earlier on, some months ago, Kasim Afekwa alleged that the Prince Uche Secondus diverted about 10 billion naira from the party's cover. I want to know, earlier in your speech, you said that all he does is to enrich himself. Is there any financial misconduct with regards to the leadership of Secondus?
By the time I put up my resignation, or the stand of the rest of the members of the party, of NWC, who are aggrieved, you will see all those, all our points, all our reasons.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.